Hello everyone, I am super excited because I actually took the Honuaskincare and the Glam Glow, and I'm gonna do one side of my face with Glam Glow, one side of Honua, and you'll see how gentle it is. And I have water with me right here, or what skin you have. It's make sure it's not something like expensive to use it for your skin. See what I mean? And if it's your product, you don't have to worry about putting it on a separate bowl or container because it's your product, so it doesn't really matter. Kind of like cleans your skin. There's lots of cleansers out there, and I'm gonna show you what I'm using because I even took away the complete cleansers, harsh cleansers. I barely even wash my face. I use cleansing water, like Bioderma cleansing water in the pink. This is my go-to. Spray this water. You can just, you know, buy any mineral water, put it in like a spray bottle and just spray it. And what I like to do, I like to just, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open the mask, and oh my god, it smells so divine. I feel I'm in Hawaii right now, and it's just so good. Oh my goodness. And what I like to do, because I get some, you always want to kind of like go around first when you do the mask. Just go around, and especially, do you see it, where the hormones, like my hormones are acting up, especially stress and all that kind of stuff. So you always want to kind of like go around like that and then feel everything, because this area like over here is the most sensitive area. So it's like here and here, and then you just feel it. Do you see how I'm avoiding the eye area? Like some people even put like Vaseline or like some kind of cream or something like this, but I just avoid it like that. Yeah, just like that. And I'm putting it right here. So impressed, guys. And what do? You just nicely tap it, and then you're just gonna tap it around this area, because you're already kind of like with the mask, right? Like why not make extra benefit to your skin? See what I mean? Like that. Keep it, and you'll see the benefit of this. You're already feeling the tightness. Like I feel the tightness from Honua mask even more than the regular mask. Like it just, and it feels more like, do you see how it just like almost takes all the impurity? Had it. Like this is like my towel to kind of like keep it all. Do you see how easy it is to take it away? You still have a little. So incredible. But just get Avon. If you're in Hawaii, definitely get the Hawaiian water. I miss Hawaiian water so much. It's incredible. So hard. You're not gonna do it every day. This is not for every day. This is like a perfect once a week, twice a week. If you have acne, that would be good for 3 times a week. But don't do it every day, because this is a good exfoliation. And I tried it a little more, and I'm like, oh, okay, I got it. In your hand. And tap it. So that way you don't even, you don't waste any product. This is the serum. When people ask me, what is one product you cannot live without? I'm like, well, of course, it's serum. It's not even, it's not even a question at all. Like, not a lot. Like, you don't need a lot. Just like tapping it.
Thank you for watching, and I got a special code, Sofia Bee 10, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye.